So this week we're drawing with Lily again, but this time we're going to draw shoes. So but we'll try, everybody's got a pair of Crocs or had a pair of Crocs. So I'm going to do a pair. What shoe are you going to draw, Lily?
The blue one.
The blue one, okay. Right, so I'm going to get rid of that one then. So what we're going to do is we're going to do in two colours. Use the lightest colour one first of all. And these are Sharpies that we did last week's drawing. So you won't be able to rub them out or do anything, but that's great because they're permanent. And as I said in the previous week, it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. So the idea about this, we're going to do this at the same time now, Lily, okay, with your lighter one. And you can do this at home with a pair of shoes. Quite good if an adult draws it and then they see you drawing, but you draw at the same time, okay? All right, so your mistake, it doesn't matter if you make a mistake, make it as big as possible, and then you're going to correct it with a darker colour. Okay, so you'll see it's a really good way of doing things. I've done this quite a lot with workshops. Anyway, I've got to do this really quickly. So, and there's the thing that comes around the heel. Got a chunky heel. Right. And then there's another bit goes like that. And it's got these bits around here, air vents, and then the holes. Best thing that I said before was that it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. It really doesn't matter. Okay, and it's really important, as I said before, to draw from observation. Then you can make things up. But it's really good and very hard to draw from observation. Brilliant. Okay, it looks like a dog's face. Right, have you done the? That's a bit okay. So now, when we look again, you've got to think that should be really a bit bigger, shouldn't it? If you think about it, if you follow the shape with your eyes and then the pen. So that's what you're going to do with the darker pen. You're then going to make it, because it needs to be a bit bigger here, to match that in the dark. So, and this is what I'm going to do with this one as well. I've just got a bit of shape here that I didn't see. Right. Okay, so now I'm going to make any mistakes that I've made round, and I think this bit goes down, there's a bit underneath here, this needs to be more like this, better shape. I wasn't really looking before, and that's what you need to do. Dark shapes there. Oh, this bit here that needs to go up further, to go down there. And that's needs to go up a bit more. Which makes that more. Okay, so that's my changes, and that's my croc. And what's good about this is it looks three-dimensional, because you've got this darker line going through. Lily? So we need to make that a bit bigger. Great, that's brilliant, that's really good. And then you've got this bit coming through right round like that. So it's a bit big around there, all the way around, and sort of a shape like that. Brilliant. That's great. Okay, so that's the next thing for our big banner. And then we've got a man-made Barbie, the shoe, and next week we're going to do choosing our favourite food, and then we're going to draw that here and then also know about the meaning of it. Okay, so happy drawing and see you again. Bye.